When should you avoid using a mandibular advancement device? It depends primarily on the condition of your teeth. There are two practical rules of thumb. There should be 10 healthy teeth in each jaw. This equates to a minimum of 20 healthy teeth in total. The distribution should be as follows: 5 healthy teeth each on the left and right sides of both the upper and lower jaws. If these requirements are not met, consult your dentist before using a mandibular advancement device. Bridges, crowns, or implants are compatible with mandibular advancement devices, provided they are firmly anchored and in good condition. Further contraindications include loose teeth, particularly incisors, as these bear the highest advancement pressure. Further contraindications include jaw pain, TMJ disorders, braces, night guards, or aligners, as these are generally incompatible with mandibular advancement devices. Chronic asthma or epilepsy, due to the risk of respiratory distress.